Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to manipulate private key of a single address. We have created a new single key address on zenpaperwallet.com. And now we found it from the Swing wallet. When the transaction is confirmed, go to My Zen Wallet and insert the single address private key. As you can see, the Zen arrived. Now let's find this single address with the faucet. Insert your public address and claim your Zen. Always check the transaction in the transaction history and in the blockchain explorer. This is a very good practice. Now, let's go back to My Zen wallet. As you can see, our claim Zen is coming, but is not confirmed yet. And now it's confirmed. Now, let's go to Export and download private keys from My Zen wallet. Save this file on a safe place. Now, let's import this file into Swing wallet by clicking on Import private keys. You have now your paper wallet on Swing, and that was very easy to do. We hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice experience with private keys.